In this video, I'm going to show you how to add sticker to CapCut video. So the first thing you want to do is open up CapCut on either your mobile device or your computer, and after you've done this, you want to import the video you're currently working on. So this video right here is one of my tutorials I have on my channel, and I'm going to show you with this tutorial how to apply stickers. So this is actually quite simple. First, you want to go up here to where there's a bunch of different tabs, and you want to go to stickers, and in here you can see different stickers. So most of these are Pro, as you can see with the banner, because they have a ribbon that says Pro. But if you scroll down here, you can also find some that are free. So for example, this one doesn't have a ribbon with Pro with it. This one doesn't, this one, and there's a bunch that actually don't. So let's say I want to put in this one, which does not have the ribbon. You just want to click on it, and as you can see, it gets added to your, basically it gets added to your preview over here. Now you can click this plus icon and it will add this to track, and then you can just basically put it anywhere you want, make it bigger or smaller, so you can just adjust the scale of it over here on the right, and you can move it to a different part of the video. For example, you can move it around, resize it, and also rotate it around, so the whole circle 360 degrees, and you can then put it wherever you want to and use it according to your needs. Now, of course, not all of these are free. As I showed you, I have some that are Pro over here. So as you can see, these are all Pro. And if you want to put in, for example, a Pro, this Pro sticker, and let's say you want to put it over here, for example, you'll be able to put it on. However, once you try to export your video, it will say that you are using a following Pro feature or material, and then you will see where it is and what that is, and you can also check it in editor. And your only option if you want to export with the Pro stickers on is to actually join Pro. So if you want to do that, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up to CapCut Pro using my link, you will get a discount while getting it. So make sure you check that out. Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.